Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Note Said 24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for at a hospital. We will practice at a hospital actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right. Welcome and let's start and enjoy learning English. I go to the hospital. I go to the hospital. The hospital is very big. The hospital is very big. I walk to the front desk. I walk to the front desk. A nurse greets me. A nurse greets me. She smiles at me. She smiles at me. She asks my name. She asks my name. I tell her my name. I tell her my name. She asks my problem. She asks my problem. I say I feel sick. I say I feel sick. She writes my name on a paper. She writes my name on a paper. She gives me a number. She gives me a number. I sit in the waiting area. I sit in the waiting area. Many people sit there. Many people sit there. Some people look tired. Some people look tired. A child cries loudly. A child cries loudly. A doctor walks by. A doctor walks by. The doctor wears a white coat. The doctor wears a white coat. My number appears on the screen. My number appears on the screen. The nurse calls my name. The nurse calls my name. I stand up quickly. I stand up quickly. I follow the nurse. I follow the nurse. She takes me to a room. She takes me to a room. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. The doctor comes in. The doctor comes in. He asks how I feel. He asks how I feel. I say I have a fever. I say I have a fever. He checks my temperature. He checks my temperature. He listens to my heart. He listens to my heart. He asks a few questions. He asks a few questions. I answer the questions. I answer the questions. He writes some notes.
He writes some notes. He gives me some advice. He gives me some advice. He writes a prescription. He writes a prescription. I thank the doctor. I thank the doctor. I leave the room. I leave the room. I walk to the pharmacy. I walk to the pharmacy. The pharmacist greets me. The pharmacist greets me. I give the prescription. I give the prescription. He prepares my medicine. He prepares my medicine. He explains the medicine. He explains the medicine. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I take the medicine bag. I take the medicine bag. I say thank you. I say thank you. I walk to the exit. I walk to the exit.
The hospital is busy today. The hospital is busy today. I feel better now. I feel better now. I go outside slowly. I go outside slowly. The fresh air feels nice. The fresh air feels nice. I go home to rest. I go home to rest. I take my medicine at home. I take my medicine at home. I hope to feel better soon. I hope to feel better soon. I drink warm water. I drink warm water. I sleep early tonight. I sleep early tonight. Tomorrow I feel stronger. Tomorrow I feel stronger. I remember the kind doctor. I remember the kind doctor. The hospital helps many people. The hospital helps many people. I am thankful today. I am thankful today. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye!